Look at it. It's a cold day in Georgia. Bring your ass. It's really snowing out here today. I know you northerners may be like, oh, this is not snowing. But to Georgia, it never does this, so this is enough snow. It's time to waken the dragon. Waken the beast. Wake up, Ruby. Give you guys a cold start. Get my cold cam. Got the door shaking. That it sounds like it's camped already. Morning, folks. On this beautiful Saturday morning that we decided to wake up early on. My team, Street Demons, we're having a dyno day, so we're finna go dyno the cars. It's like a little outing event where we all dyno the cars. We invited other people too, so we finna go there, have some fun, and show people that I'm really 431 wheel horsepower, probably less than that shit. Still thinking I'm gonna be the same, but I'm gonna be less horsepower. But say what's up to April. Don't act brand new. Take over, did you? I know. Say what's up. Don't act fucking brand new.
Hey guys.
I thought this was your chart. I thought you were Kid and Fleur 20.
I am.
Okay, bye.
I ain't gotta do too much.
Now that Sebastian House got the old 280Z outside. 370Z. Damn, it's snowing. I can't see. What the fuck? Ooh. R32 in the garage. Oh my lord. What the R32 in the garage? Right hand drive. So beautiful. It's a thermal fit, bro. Say what's up. Give a shout out to your YouTube. What's wrong?
It's Aries Legacy out there? Bro, I don't even know my shit like that, bro. You know I be bullshitting.
You haven't even started it?
No, bro, because Jeff on his way right now because fucking Nav didn't want to pick up, bro.
How far is it up?
I'm like, something.
Is she gonna be sounding cam? No? This is nice. It's still nice as fuck. I don't care. I'll still drive it. It's still the Skyline. Ouch. It's just nice.
It is the Skyline.
Can't wear my AP, I had to let it cool up. Almost died from pneumonia, had to take my jewels off. We don't argue with these niggas, we just let them tools.
I'm sorry, there's no mistake.
A lot of Mustangs. Bit on the end. Scat pack. Got the bags over the air coolers. What's up?
My bad, what hand?
What's up, bro?
Richard.
Kenneth, bro. Nice to meet you.
If you want it.
What?
Was that a little bottle?
That's the Grand Sport. This is the Grand Sport I saw at the gas station that day. It's nice. Put the blunt down. I need them. I need them. It's nice. I say 405. Whose car is it?
That's another one.
411, 384 torque. Okay.
Like 45.
Good power. Second car on the dyno. Mustang did pretty well. Seems like the dyno is pretty accurate so far. So, how much horsepower you think the truck will do?
So,
How much horsepower you think the truck will do?
the truck?
Yeah.
What, mine?
Yeah.
It's too
But stop playing. That's an LS. What y'all in here doing?
What are you
Say what's up. Say what's
What are you doing?
up. Shout
What
yourself
are you
out, bro.
doing?
Shout yourself out, bro. What's your name?
What's that?
I don't know. Look, we got a stock 392. And it's a manual. I respect it. Nice. What side you rep, SA? That's a small ass jacket, Holmes.
No.
You want another jacket, Holmes?
sir, it's called as fuck.
Y'all tripping standing in front of this boat. Y'all get hit by this, it's over with. Ain't no coming back for this one. Ain't no coming back for this one. Oh, they gonna wiggle in the, they gonna wiggle in the rear end a little bit. They always wiggle in the rear end. Nah, that's a Mustang. 443. What'd I say? $419 from a Gen 2 S550 or Gen 1. Let's say. What did Kim Miller say? Say it louder. Louder.
Suck my dick.
Okay, alright, cool, we out. C7 vent, stock. $415, 426 torque. Let's get power. 423, 435 torque. He might gap me, bruh. He gonna gap me. He got more horsepower than me. Good numbers, bro. 426, 50, and 437 at the torque. Oh, look, it's a shit stain. It's a shit stain. I never get to see these, so I want to see what this look like, you know. I never get to see the tail lights. I never get to see the tail lights, bro. This is what I see. I see this most of the time. I don't see no tail lights. I always see it. Start over, bro.
This ain't no for show. This ain't no for side.
I mean, it's gonna be for show when it's show. It's for slow.
That's 25 horsepower.
Yeah.
The black 5.0 badges,
Mm-hmm.
31 horsepower. We already dynoed it. The springs, 5 horsepower. Not really.
Add that all up together.
Fat stones, rather.
Stupid. What you guess this pony gonna do?
hope it makes more.
What you get, Sebastian? Hey, I don't give this nigga no compliments. I don't like how no front load him, but
Hey, brother, I should have pulled up on the grass. In the rain, in the snow.
Just the flicks. Just the dot too. 400 even? Okay. 410, yeah. Right.
I know it's
What you guess, Sal? What you guess? Bruh, stop looking around, bruh. Look in the camera. Bruh, back the fuck up, bruh. What do you guess?
420.
420. 420. Got the juices rocking, boy. You got the juices rocking in this motherfucker. Okay. All right, my little pony. Let's see what you're doing. I seen 420. 419. 420. 419. Okay.
I got a factory free.
Yeah. Okay. Good job. You said 420. Good job, bro. You said good job. 420.
Appreciate it.
Now tell me the lottery numbers, bro.
5, 2, 11, 27, 50.
420, 76, consistent. Okay. You really don't got no. 423. Okay. The little stock pony is doing his business.
Doing something.
I go back to that video, bro. I called that shit 420.
Yeah, okay. All right. Well, I still haven't lost to 10 speed, so.
You did it?
No. To go up. Time for the vet to go up. I'm nervous. What do you think he's gonna do? Mine? Yeah.
Like 420 something. 420, 300. High range 4. What you gonna do? Well, I ain't gonna ask you that on camera. I give you folks. The grass sport?
Yeah.
I give you folks. Without.
Watch out. What you think he's gonna do?
Your car?
Yeah.
442.
Hey, I give you
500?
What was you at before?
Boy, if I do 500, man. 431.
Oh. That was before or after what he told me?
After. Oh, no, I ain't got the cam yet. There you go. Alright.
I know you hate that shit.
See how it's hanging off? I don't even try to fight it no more.
Me on the goddamn look. He gonna get the
He burn the place. I don't know, it's the same one that gapped the fuck out of you. You keep talking shit.
Insert clip here.
I hope he didn't. He did. It's life. It's life. I don't care. Just keep it rolling. It's like here we go. Here we go. Here we go. It's gonna be loud as fuck when he let off the gas.
Yeah, you know, straps on it.
$430. Consistent. First run. 430, 452 torque. Okay. Give me 450, Jesus. Just 450. That's all I'm asking. Motherfucker shot a flag. 441. 441, 463 torque. Oh yeah. You did well. You did well. She did well.
Bad beat.
She did well.